Now that you have a decent grasp of file management, I want to do a quick video about file organization. File organization is a very overlooked process of file management, mainly because it's up to your own preference and it's something you learn to do through experience. When you start dealing with emulation, connecting with media servers and certain devices that you are using, organizing your files in a way that is easy to access becomes a very key component to your overall success rate. So let's go over a simple example that will be very helpful if you are planning to collect game ROMs. I opened my File Explorer and went to the local C drive. On the local C drive, I created a folder and named it ROMs. You can find a new folder option here, or you can just right-click in an open space on the window and select it through the menu. As you can see, in the folder I created are more folders. Each folder contained within the ROM folder I created are known as subfolders and basically represent a system or an emulator. Clicking one of these folders ultimately brings me to my ROMs. The most important part of this exercise is knowing exactly where to put your files, but there is another thing I want to point out. Take a look at this section here. As you can see, there is a clear indication of the drive, the folder, and the subfolder that I'm in. If I click on this, it changes. What you see now means exactly the same thing. This is just an old way of showing it. This is called a file path, and in some cases, you may need this if the emulator in question is looking for it. If the file path is in fact required, you can simply copy it and paste it, but I doubt it will be necessary in most cases. File organization is an integral part of manual installation, as you will see in many of the setup videos that I'll be providing in the future, so make sure and get into the practice now. This is the Core, your resident entertainment techie, signing out.